Hello class 3, welcome back to your science class. Now we will discuss about chapter number 12, rocks, minerals and soils. So let's start. Rocks. Rocks are the solid materials of which the earth's surface is made. There are many kinds of rocks. Rocks are found everywhere, under the ground, on the mountains and hills, and even under the sea and ocean. See, there are two pictures, Taj Mahal and Red Fort. They also made up of rocks. Taj Mahal is made up of white marbles, that is a kinds of rocks, and Red Fort is made up of sandstone, and sandstones is another kinds of rocks. Next, minerals. What do you mean by minerals? Substance that we can take out of rocks are called minerals. Gold, iron, silver, diamond, mercury, uranium are the example of minerals. Soil. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth's surface. Soil is very important for all living beings. Next, soil formation. How soil is formed. In the beginning, the earth was fully covered with rocks. The sun heated the rocks, the rain made them cold, and the wind blew over them. And this continued for thousands of years. As a result, the rocks broke into small pieces, and those small pieces again broke into another small pieces. They were carried by the wind and running water. They rubbed against each other, and as a result they became tiny particles of soil. Thus, the soil was made by the breaking of rocks, and it took millions of years to form soil. And this was done by the sun, the wind and the rain. এইভাবে একটা রকের ওপর দীর্ঘদিন ধরে সানের হিট, রেন অ্যান্ড উইন্ড তাদেরকে বয়ে নিয়ে গিয়ে একে অপরের সাথে ঘষা খেয়ে খেয়ে ক্ষুদ্র হতে 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 সেই একটা রক থেকে সয়েল ফর্ম হয়েছে। ওকে, সি দেয়ার ইজ এ অ্যাক্টিভিটি। তোমরা এই অ্যাক্টিভিটিটা চাইলে করে দেখতে পারো। ওকে, next, what does soil contain? Soil had stone, clay, sand, humus, etc. Okay, soil মধ্যে এগুলো থাকে। There is another activity যেটা তোমরা করে দেখতে পারো। এটা তোমরা বাড়িতে করে দেখতেই পারো এই অ্যাক্টিভিটিটা। ওকে, নেক্সট চলে যাচ্ছি very very important part of this chapter, kinds of soil. There are three kinds of soil. They are sandy soil, clay soil and loam. First, sandy soil. Sandy soil is those types of soil in which the proportion of sand is very high and sand particles are big. These types of soil mostly found in desert area, and they don't hold enough water. And this soil is not good for crops. Mainly cactus plants grow on it. Next soil is clay soil. Clay soil is found in pond and river beds. In this soil, the proportion of clay is high, and this soil can hold enough water. And this soil is used for making pot and toys, and it is good for crops like rice and jute. Next soil is loam. Loam is the best soil for crops. The proportion of clay and sand is equal in this soil. Okay, and loam can hold enough air and water. it contain a lot of humus. Humus make the soil fertile. That's why we can say that loam is the best soil for the growth of plants. ওকে, সো এখানটা ভেরি ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট, তোমরা কিন্তু অবশ্যই এখানটা ভালো করে পড়বে। নেক্সট, ইম্পর্টেন্স অফ সয়েল। সয়েল ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট ফর অল লিভিং বিংস। ইট ইজ দ্য সয়েল where all plants grow, and plants are the main source of food to all living beings, okay, on the earth. So that's why we can say that there would be no life on the earth without soil. So এই চ্যাপ্টারটা তোমরা ভালো করে পড়ো। এই টপিকগুলো বিশেষ করে কাইন্ডস অফ সয়েল, ইম্পর্টেন্স অফ সয়েল, হোয়াট ইজ মিনারেলস, soil formation, what is rock, এগুলো ভালো করে পড়বে। and then solve your exercise part which I mentioned in your worksheet number 16। তারপর 16 নম্বর ওয়ার্কশিটটা তোমরা ভালো করে করবে চ্যাপ্টারটা পড়ে। ওকে, so done, see you in the next class, tata।